Widmer is in the Warren County Jail this noon, waiting to be transferred to prison where he'll serve 15 years to life for murdering his wife. The jury took 12 hours to reach a verdict, much less than its previous 2 trials. An appeal is expected to be filed soon, but the appellate court in Southwest Ohio has a reputation for upholding convictions, not reversing them. How the jurors reached that guilty verdict is what you've been wanting to know, and 9 News reporter Valerie Miller has been talking with them about that. She's live in Lebanon now with more. Val?
Janelle, you could hear it in their voice. One gentleman I spoke with, you could see it on his face. This was a very difficult and stressful time and process and experience for the jurors. Also, I spoke with 2 jurors. They did not want to go on camera, but they shared their thoughts and ideas about the testimony and the evidence. One man I spoke with on the phone, he told me, "We all wanted to find him not guilty. We assumed he was innocent." He added, "We discounted Jennifer Cruz's testimony. She had nothing to do with the verdict." He said, "We listened to the 911 call maybe a half dozen times, and we broke it down second by second, but something didn't add up." The other gentleman I spoke with in person, he said the entire trial was very hard and very stressful. He said it was hard to watch Widmer cry after the verdict. He said the most important elements of the case were the fingerprints in the tub, 2 hands sweeping in a downward motion, the bruises on Sarah, and the timing of the 911 call, how much time passed from when Ryan claimed he picked up Sarah to when the officer arrived at the home and testified that Sarah's body was dry. He added that after reviewing the witness and the evidence, they had 1 vote, and it was unanimous. He said at that point in time he was looking to see if anyone was going to come up and say not guilty and give some reasonable explanation as to some reasonable doubt, but he said no one did that. The defense at this time is preparing for an appeal. They have 30 days to do so. The gag order that has been in effect for this trial remains in effect, so attorneys cannot speak about it. So at this point in time, Ryan Widmer is in the Warren County Jail, and he is expected to be transferred to prison to begin serving his sentence. Janelle?
Okay, thank you so much, Valerie.